Well, some people just don't learn that their actions result in consequences. I don't know why your channel's still up, but that latest live you did, I skipped through it and I found a whole bunch of things that were against YouTube rules. I think other people should too. Admiral Red. See, actions have consequences, and when you go to war with somebody, you better be fucking prepared. He said some nasty sexual things. I'm pretty sure that's against YouTube's rules. And yeah, I didn't watch the whole thing, but I'm sure there's much, much more. But nobody wants to listen to you because you're nasty. Nobody wants to sit there and watch your whole fucking live stream because you're nasty. It's repulsive. It's repulsive. Y'all are repulsive. The way that y'all play the victim all the time is repulsive. The way that Gaptooth wants to go in and say all these things. I'm such a victim. They want to cut off my goat's head and all this bullshit. Maybe you should list the person that said that stuff instead of lumping them all in with, oh, I'm the victim and all these people are after me. Maybe you did something. Maybe you should say that it was Telescope that threatened to cut your deer's head off. Maybe you should be excommunicated from your church, because that's not what they said. They said they're gonna show your content to your pastor, your preacher. See how proud you are of it, right? So you always want to act like a good Christian girl who goes to church every Sunday just so I can make money off of the people at the church. See, that's how it all works. That's how it all works. That's what I was told to. I need to go to church and get some customers. Y'all are pathetic. Every single one of you. Every single one of you that has that. Oh, you need to go to church so you can get some customers. Don't go there because you actually enjoy that or anything like that. Go to get customers. Like Gaptooth. We see through your facade, baby. We see through it, right through it. And then you just make it look like even more of a cult when you say I found everything I've ever wanted here. It's just the cult plays on your vulnerabilities. And all you've done since you've associated with them is become a shitty ass person. It used to be fun to be over there in your stream. But now it's just the same fucking bullshit over and over and over and over. Tick tock, tick tock. Only a matter of time before that almost 2,000 subscribers is wiped off the face of the planet because you just can't help yourself. And it doesn't matter if you're monetized or not, right? 'Cause I didn't have to be monetized. Actions have consequences. Every time you try to bully somebody, I'm going to be there reporting it. And the way that you try to play a victim and lump everybody in together, the person that threatened to cut your goat's head off or whatever is not the same person or even affiliated in the same group as the person that said that she should send all your videos to your preacher. And you get accused of being on drugs because you act like you're on drugs. Ma'am, you get accused of being on drugs. And that's just one example right there that I just said. How you grouped all those people together and act like they were all just coming after you and poor you, poor you, poor you. You're like a crazy, like, crackhead or something. Even like Sparky says, even crackheads have more sense than that. Oh, poor Gap Tooth over there, so scared. She's not really scared. It's just for drama and content. She's not scared. She should be more worried about her YouTube channel being wiped off the face of the planet, since that's what she wants to do to other people. And I got the proof in the fucking text message. You're guilty as fuck. Thinking she can run her mouth without consequences. But everybody else, they should watch out. Maybe you should watch out, girl. Watch that channel go, bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. It's okay. You did me a favor. I don't have any of those restrictions on my channel anymore. Like I was talking about, how they're keeping me out of the algorithm and everything. My new channels don't have that problem. None of them. I can have 0 subscribers and still get lots of views. Don't have any of those problems, but I'm just crazy and my content sucks and everybody hates me. Right? But everybody doesn't hate me, just like Sparky says. Some people been in this game longer than you, little girl. Little girl, because that's what you are, a wounded little girl who desperately seeks a family. So you found a cult to join. It's like the exact target audience. That whole ship is sinking. It's taking on water. Blub, blub, blub. You didn't stop the bleeding. You made it worse. Should have let it go. Should have stopped talking about it. But all you want to do is go after people for months and months and months. That's all you want to do on your channel. The whole army of people that y'all went after. Blub, blub, blub. Down goes the ship.